I'm Titash from Bangladesh.
Titas.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. I'm Jenny from England.
Okay, nice to meet you too. I'm here. I'd like to improve my communication skill so that actually I would like to practice conversation. So, so can you cook?
Can I cook? I try to. Yeah,
Okay.
I think I can cook, but I like to experiment when I cook. So sometimes it's a disaster and sometimes it works quite well. It depends.
Okay. In my case, yes, I can cook the basic foods, everyday foods. Yeah.
Yes.
I like snacks, tea, and noodles. Yeah. Omelette.
Omelette.
Yeah.
So do you cook the main meal in the evening or not?
It's depend actually. If my mom and sister not available at home, that times I try my best, and most of the time actually I do make snacks.
Yeah. Okay, so it's mostly snack food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is the famous dish in your country?
I don't think we have any. No, I don't know. We don't have very good food in England. I think we maybe fish and chips, but it's not very special, really. Yeah. Okay. What's the most famous dish in Bangladesh?
In our country, actually, rice and fish. Those meal items are available, and people love to eat. And this is the actually famous dish in our country.
Is it in a curry? Would you have it in a curry, the fish?
Yeah, fish curry, fish fry, and fish with vegetable. Yeah.
Okay.
So, what is your main meal of the day?
The evening meal. Is that what you mean? Like, what time do we have it?
Okay. But I prefer actually eating a heavy breakfast. And do you prefer eating home or at a restaurant?
Oh, well, I like both. But when it's a special occasion, I like to go to a restaurant.
Okay.
I think it's nice to go to a restaurant, but it's expensive to go to a restaurant all the time.
Yes, yes. And in our country, people actually try to stay at home, and they feel good eating homemade food actually. Yeah, in my case, I prefer actually eating food at home.
Oh, that's nice. So you actually prefer the taste of the food at home, or is it because you want to be with your family and the people you care about?
Right. So what occasion do you eat special food in your country?
Do we eat special food?
Right. Yeah.
Is that what you said? Do we eat special food in England?
Actually, you told me actually if any special occasion you go outside and then you try to check actually food from restaurant, right? So
well, it
my question is actually which actually in what occasion do you eat special food?
Maybe it depends because I live with my son.
Okay.
So for Mother's Day, we have Mother's Day, so we would probably go out for Mother's Day. And then Valentine's Day, we go out together.
Yeah.
His birthday, my birthday.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
It can be Happy New Year, the 31st night, right? So, yeah. in our country, sort of similar of
Mm-hmm.
your country, because we go outside with family like that. It is the first day of the year, or it can be 31st night, and there is a several festival day in our country,
Mm.
puja and Eid, Christmas Day.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
So can you please explain a restaurant where actually you feel the restaurant is making the food is good? Do you have any experience you can share with me? And if I come to the UK, then it will be my checklist.
Well, the places that I go to eat are usually the places that my son enjoys as well. So it's not always my choice, but we often choose like a buffet where our favorite place at the moment is called Ibrahimi's, and it
Okay.
has Asian food, so I can eat curry, but it also has chips and nuggets and things that he likes to eat. So we both eat what we like, and lots of ice cream at the end.
Oh, that's as a dessert, right?
Yes, yeah.
Uh, so, do you think cooking is burden of most of the people?
Do I think that cooking is?
Cooking is the burden for most of the people.
I don't think so. And especially at the moment with the virus, everybody has turned into bakers and chefs at home, I think. Everybody is
Yeah.
baking special food at the moment. But I think there is a mixture. Some people just buy food from the shops, tinned food. Some people really enjoy to make fresh food, enjoy making fresh food. Like I like making fresh food and I enjoy cooking. But everyone's different in England.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
actually, right. I'm also agree with you, but it's depend actually. Some people their hobby actually they try to cook food and they feel good actually, right? But
Yes.
some people are too busy with their personal tasks, and when he or she has a list of schedule actually whole of the days, then the
Mm.
people think that, oh my God, so I have no time to make food. I can go outside and I can take a snacks or any junk food. So that will
Yes.
be good for me because I'm too busy. So yeah, it's a depend, right?
Yes,
On
definitely.
situation. So starvation is a problem many parts of the world, right?
Mm.
And what do you think? And do you have any opinion how to reduce the starvation in the world? And is there any opinion of you
Well,
how to reduce
I
it?
believe that empathy and compassion is the answer, but unfortunately, I think that we, whoever leads our country makes a big impact on the way society works. So, yeah, I believe that if we share our resources rather than trying to keep them to ourselves, rather than being greedy, then everybody would have enough to eat. But we keep making bad choices. I mean, we had our elections in November in England. We had a choice between two leaders. One wanted to show love and compassion to the world and society, and one wanted to be the most economically advanced. And we chose that leader instead of the one that wanted to care for society. This is just my opinion. It's a bit political, but yeah.
So I think in my personal view, actually, we waste a lot of food, right?
Mm-hmm.
So poor people are actually earning more. So some people staying without food. So I think we can make like there's some application where actually when you have a extra food, then you can just you can send a request, I have extra food. So then the food collector will come to your home and they will collect your food and they will actually serve the food, right? So that's the way can be actually reduced, right?
Yes.
So I think our time is almost
yeah, it's nice to
finished.
meet
So
you.
now time to say it was very good time. Take care.
Yeah, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Thank you.